So quick thing before the rest of the video starts. Welcome back to the video, to part 2 at least. And please, I told in the end of the last video that I didn't realize that the other video was like 16 to 46 minutes long if you would put it all together. So instead I put it into 16 minutes of actual building, but it's actually about 19 minutes if you add in all the title and the ending. So if you add all together, it's only 19 minutes instead of the 46 to 48 minutes long, all of it together. So with that, in this video, the next one, not next one, but this one, I'm going to be building this part, and if possible, the back frame. Let me get that out for you all. If possible, I'm also going to be putting this one in. If not, this will be in part 3 or so. Yeah, maybe part 3 or so. And that's what I'm gonna do. So, now, let's get on with the other part of the video. The part that was recorded before this beginning part. I know, it's a little bit confusing, but anyway. Let's get on to the actual part 2 of the pickup truck. And now we got our wheels. This contraption here. If it doesn't look right, I will get to showing how to build it in a bit, or literally in the next part of the video. And let's get on to the pieces part. And now we get to the pieces. So, of course, you'll want these weird tire things with tires, 2-piece with this kind. You'll want 2 of them. And then you'll want the pieces the tires go on. These. These pieces with the tube, and then like this. With it looks like there's one flat, and then like this. We want it to look like this, and you want 2 of them. And then you'll want a 2 over, 2 down, but instead of being a small flat or thin one, you want a full brick, not just a simple plate. And then you'll want one of these. I like to just call them the HUD of a tire. HUD.
Rim?
HUD or rim,
HUD.
whichever one you prefer. And that's what the pieces are. And then you'll want 1 6 over, 2 down. You'll probably want a few of these for this video. And there's all the pieces.
You can see all the other pieces in the background.
And you can see the other pieces we will be using later in the video. And let's whatever. And I recenter the camera. Whatever, I give up on recentering it. And anyway, you'll want this. So, pause, get your pieces, and so on. So, excuse me for the background change, but had to. And so now we have the time to build it. So we want to take one of these, your 6 over 2, 6 over 2 down, and then you'll want to take your pieces that hold the tire, place them like so, with the little clip, like this. And we got this. Give you a second to build it. And now we take your brick here and place it on just like so. And then we're going to take your, whatever these thingies are called, the things that are that cover the tires, like so. Then you take your tire and place it on, and there's your, well, front wheels. So now we get on to the next part, which is the cab. So now we got the cab. We got the cab. And a little weird, but so first you got this one here. These two. So we're gonna build the small one first. So let's get the pieces. And now we take it apart to let's see the pieces. We got these pieces here. Got these pieces here. So you'll want a 4 over, 2 down. You want one of those. And then instead of the 2 blank ones, you'll want the square ones for this one. You want 2 of these. Then you want one of these seats. But frankly, there's just enough room to do pretty much whatever you want in there, but for this one, you'll want this seat here, like so. And then you'll want any kind of steering wheel you want. Steering wheel. Move steering wheel. And then you'll want your 4 over, 1 down. As you can see the difference. And they're both small and flat. So I'll let you take a minute to get those pieces, and then we back on to building. And now let's get to building. So first you're going to want to take this here, and if I remember correctly, you place your seat here like so. And then you'll want to place these here like so. And then you want to grab your steering wheel and place it on like so. And then your pieces and place them on either side. And that is the thing. That's where the seat goes. There's our seat. And now we want to build our entire front cab section. Our entire front cab section with the little door. So let's get to the pieces. So our next problem is there's so many pieces that if I take it apart, I'll probably forget how to build it. So we're going to have it as modules. The first module is this 6 over, 4 down thin piece. And then, for the first part. And then you'll want 2 of these. Wing pieces, corner pieces, whatever. But as long as they're thin, and you have one for the left side and the right side. Because then you'll want to take these. Let you pause and get the pieces. Okay. And if you have the pieces, you're going to take them on and place them like this. Just like so. And set that aside for the minute, because we'll be building it with that. Then we'll want to get to the door piece. The door piece here. So what it is a door that is, if you were to look on the inside, I can zoom this in just to get it angled. Oh, man. As you see, there's a little L there. You want to get the L. There's a little L that says left. You can kind of see it. Turn this light off. There you go. Now you can see it a little better. An L there. There's an L. You want the left one or it will not work right. And then you want your little slant piece. Sorry for the dirty bit, but these are worn and well-used Legos, so yeah. Then you'll want your 2 square bricks, a 2 over 1 down brick, and then this 2 over 1 down slant brick. So what you want to do is, after you get the pieces, of course, what you want to do is place it like this, and this one like so, and then place it on top. But the problem is you can't attach this to the door, so it is one whole piece, it's just one brick cannot be attached, so there's one piece. Set that aside for the next one. Next piece is kind of big. And if you were to take this apart, which I'm doing right now, you have quite the array of pieces. So first one that you see that stands out is this window pane piece. And you want it exactly like this. Doesn't matter what color it is, as long as this window pane is exactly like this. With these studs on top, the ledge, because it's 2 over, 1 down, like this. You want one of those. And then you want, oh, there's an eye. Didn't notice that till just now. But anyway, there's an eye here. But you want 2 more bricks. 2 more of these bricks. And then you'll want a 4 over 1 down brick. And then you'll want the 2 over 1 down slant piece. And of course, 2 over 1 down normal brick. Or, I don't know what to call that. A half brick or anything. But anyway, let's get on to building. And when we build this, if I can remember how to build this correctly, is this goes on here, if I remember correctly. Okay, I remember now. Excuse me. So what you want to do is take this one here, and place it like this. then you'll want to place it like this. And because of what we're doing, way it's facing, is you want it, this window piece with the edge on the inside. Like this. And then, I believe, was like this, is how you place them. Or was it like this? Nope, excuse me. It was, you place it like this, with them like this. Excuse me. It was like this. You place them like this. Whoops. And now, we set this one aside for the last and final piece before we assemble it. This one. And here's the funny thing. It's literally only 4 pieces. This one by, this one single small brick, this 2 over, 1 down brick, this 4 over and 1 down brick, and then this 6 over, whoops, 6 over, 2 down window frame or windshield. And you want one of these. So, if you're watching this video to build it, then you'll want this brick. If you're just watching it for the fun of it, just to see how things are built, this you can pretty much only find it in Lego sets. Yeah, you have to find it in ready-made sets. So, yeah, that's the problem. So let's get building it. So now we are going to take this piece here, this one, and place it like so. And now, if I can remember correctly, you need to place this one single one like so. And then you place the 2, just like that. And the next thing you want to do is bring back all your other pieces, the ones you've previously built. Just like so. You want to take all of them back. Because what next we're doing is assembling it. So first we're going to take this one here, just like so, and place this one in the far upper left corner, just like this. And then we're going to take this piece from earlier and place it like this. Whoops, I came off. Place it like this. And then you're going to want to place this orange piece here, and then this assembly here, just like so. And then you're gonna, let me see if I can remember it all correctly. Excuse me, what did I do wrong? What did I do wrong? I think I'm gonna try something real quick and flip this. What the heck did I do wrong? Oh, I noticed what I did wrong.
What?
It was, I placed this like this. So, and everyone who's building it probably went, that was dumb. And it was. So now we have this, like so. Because the next thing we want to do is, with this one piece, place it like this. That's what I did wrong. Whoops. So, yep, there's the front cap section on how to build it. You can make mistakes. Sometimes happens. So, yep, there's a front cap section. And for this video, it's probably a bit long, but anyway, here's this one. And now, on to the next part. Next thing we want to build is this entire front top section. And because, well, my camera's getting low on power, we're going to have to do a bit of speeding through this a little bit. Going still normal pace, but not starting and stopping the camera to edit pieces together, so. There's, it all. Again, another hood piece. And then one of these pieces here. It's a really interesting piece. But essentially, it's 6 over, 1, 2 down with this piece, like this. Like so. And, next, you want to take this green, 6 over, 1 down instead of 2. Place it like this. Then you want 2 of these small, flat, circle pieces. And place them like this. Two of them, place them like this. Then you want one of these weird flat slant pieces that is 2 over, 2 down. And then you're going to want to place it like this. Like so. Then you're going to get a 6 over, 1 down, full piece. And place it like so. So, then you're going to want to take the hood piece and place it like this. And there's the whole hood piece. Yep, there's our whole hood piece. Now we get to the fun part. This thing. This big thing. With the thing. So if I can, I will possibly divide it into more than one section. Yep. So, this huge thing. And now, we're gonna stop here for the moment, because the camera's dead. But for you guys, it's just simply gonna be a simple skip to the next part. But for me, I'm having to stop the camera and recharge it. So yes, there's this huge thing. Ignore that hole, please. Ignore it. It's supposed to be a solid piece. And let's get on to the next part of building it, assembling it, and getting the pieces. On to the next part. Okay, so, for the first part of the entire back, we're gonna have literally pretty much the base where the wheels are. So, you'll want to get a 10 by 1 piece, if you have it. One of these, of course. You place it on like this. Then another one of these hub things, and place it on this. And then you're gonna make another one of them, so that, like this. Then, yep, that's how we're doing that. So, I'm sorry, but no more pieces, because it's gonna take too long. But this is how it is, like so. So if you want to see how to build this, I'll make probably a part 2 on the pieces piece, probably, or something. So, what you want for this part here is 2, a 1, and then a 4. A 4 with the studs on the side, a 1 by 1, and then a 2 by 1, placed on like this with the 6 over 1 down flats. Just like so. That's for one side, or at least one part of the side. And then you want another 6 over 1 down with you want to pull that off. A piece just, you want to build it like this. 6 over, one down, just like so. A little bit like this. I'll pause it so you can build it. And then one of these, 6 over, 1 down with a 4 over, 1 down. Place it on top like this. And then you'll want this here, but 3 2s. I had one with a hole, so that's what I used by accident. And then 2 over, 6 over, 1 down, like so, with the 1. I'll pause it so you can build it. And then you'll want to build like this. Build another one of these, just like so, but essentially opposite. So you can build the exact same or whatever, but as long as you have, this is 8 over, 1 down, like so. 4 over, 1 down with a 3, a 4, and another 4. And then a 4 like this, and then a 6 like this. I'll pause it. I'll let you pause it, build it. Okay. And then what we're going to do next is, with the way these are, I believe it's you place them on so that the studs are facing on the outside. Then you place the other piece like so. And then set that aside. And next we're going to have the middle piece of the entire back. So when you flip it over, this is what you're going to see. Tip that up so you can see it better. You're going to have a 6 over, 1 down, and then 4 down. Excuse me. 6 over, 4 down, and then a 6 over, 2 down. Like so. Then you're going to place a 4 over, 1 down on either side. Like this. 1 stud in. Then you're going to get these here. Place them like so. Then a 4 over on either side. And then you're going to have a 2 over, 2 down slant. Just like so. And you're going to build it like this. So I'll pause it. Pause it for you to do it. Now you can pause it. And then we can flip it over. Then you're going to want to build with like no other studs on top. 2 6 over, 1 down, flat ones. 2 4 ones. And then 3s like so. Stop for you to place it on the other side. You can pause it here. And that's this one. And then we're going to go on to here, where it's without breaking it. You're going to want one of these pieces with the back like this. You don't have to if you don't want to, but it's not going to be very easy to finish it because of the way you build it. Upside down, you're going to have 6 over, 1 down, 6 over, 4 down with a 6 over, 1 down, like so. Then you get the 2 by 2 over, 2 down slants and place them just like so. And then we're going to get one of these pieces here with the circle and place it right at the edge of this one with them both touching right in the middle. Then you get the 6 over, 1 down, slants, and then the 2 over, 2 down, square, like so. Then you're going to get a, for the upper piece, a, I believe 10 over. A 10 over, yep, 10 over, 1 down, 8 over, 1 down, then the 2 up, 1 over, 2 up, 1 over, like, and place it all like so. So I'll pause it for you to rebuild it for yourself if you want. And now, what we're going to do is assemble it. So what you're going to do is grab this one here, and then this one here. And because of the way I built it, it just slides in there, like so. You press it all down, make sure it's all tightly pressed on there. Becomes this, the entire bottom bed of the truck. And next, what you want to do is flip it over, take the wheels, and make sure they're aligned. Just like so. It's aligned just like so. So when you got it, it should look like this. And next, you take this big, huge piece and place it on just like so. What you're going to do next is get your other pieces. You're going to get your other pieces, your cab, your other wheel, and your engine. So what you want to do to assemble it is flip these over and place them on just like so. Make sure it's all tightly pressed on there, or it may fall apart, just like so. Then, you're going to take your cab. First, what you want to do is actually take off this here, place this on, like so, right at the back, just like this. It just goes right on. And then you got your, place that back on, you place this on, come on, there we go. It should be all back together now, and there you got your truck. If you have been following me and assembling it the way I showed you, I may have made a few mistakes, but it's okay. And there's your truck. So, excuse me a second. I'm going to go get a Lego guy, but this will be just an edit for you. Oh look, a truck. I think I want to steal it.
Bob.
Open the truck. I'm gonna.
He said, "Where's the cash?"
I'm gonna get in the truck. Take the truck, make it up, move it forward, make it up, and steal the truck.
Bye.
So, yep, there's my truck. We can place a little Lego guy in. And there's a Lego guy. So, yep, this has been the Brickmaster. Or whatever this, nah, not Brick. I'm not sure what to name this, my YouTube channel. But when you do find the YouTube channel, it may be Brickmaster. But, you never know. So, yeah, I guess for the moment, it's been Brickmaster. I'll see you all later. Bye-bye. Brickmaster, out.